Hello stock stalkers, welcome back. Both the markets today closed negative. Let's start analyzing DFM market index, that is Dubai Financial Market. We can again see an indecisive candle. Today it has printed a red doji, and this is what I have been mentioning. We are seeing continuously all doji candles, indecisiveness in the market. We are not having a clear direction whether market wants to continue going up or it wants to come down for a correction. As I have been mentioning in my videos lately, if I go down to 15 minutes time frame, we can clearly see breach of this trend line or the channel. Exactly, this is what we have been waiting for. We can see price or market has been trading within this zone. Previously we could see rejections and support as well. Market was bouncing up very nicely. Lately we can see market is failing to touch the ceiling of this trend line, that is the upper zone. It's been trading near the lower trend line or the lower channel. And today finally we can see a breakdown. This is not looking interesting or good. That's the reason I'm a bit skeptical and nervous. At the same time, there are chances we may see aggressive drop to the downside. Next support area that is identified at 5,190 points. We can see right from this candle onwards, if I zoom the chart, we can see from this zone around 11:15 in the morning today, market broke this channel, and from here it's been trading below the channel, below the trend line. This is not looking good. So two scenarios from here: whether market jumps back above the channel, we consider it safe. By the way, tomorrow is Friday, so weekly candle is very important. It will be very interesting to see if at all market gains some strength and closes above this trend line to be back into this channel, then we consider it safe. If at all market continues dropping or if it trades below this trend line, then I think some sort of correction will come in coming week. Overall, as of now, still DFM market index on the daily chart is still bullish. It's in an uptrend. We are seeing indecisive candles back to back. Let's see how the weekly closing is tomorrow. On the other hand, ADX market index again is confusing us. We are not getting clear direction whether if this breakout is really genuine. We saw a breakout right after this candle at around 9,430 points. From here we saw it traveling up, but we are not seeing big volumes. This is sign of worry again. Instead, we are just seeing it's going zigzag. Either market crosses and closes above this zone, that is 9,563, then we can confirm yes, we are expecting upside momentum in coming days or weeks. Or if at all it wants to come down for a correction, then let it touch the base again, that will coincide with this trend line. If it does not hold here, then let it come back within this triangle pattern. Let's see how market performs tomorrow and closes for the week. If at all we can see a nice bullish candle, this would be very positive. Coming week onwards we can see some good momentum. On the negative side, as we all know, if it comes back within this triangle pattern, then these are the support zones where market can potentially travel slowly and steadily. Hopefully we don't see a big drop suddenly like the way we saw in this phase. Overall, ADX market is still going through recovery. We are not seeing a clear direction yet. This is the daily chart of Julphar. Those who are keeping hopes high, do not give up on your hopes. There are still chances Julphar can perform very well. Today it tried to break out, but it could not sustain. Today's high was at 1.55. It traveled up, could not sustain at the top, and then it continuously dropped during the day. Closing is 1.47. Still the closing is above this green candle's close, so we can still consider this to be positive. However, on the negative side, let's be prepared in case if we see a candle close below the low of this candle, that is 1.41. Yes, then it would be a sign of worry. Then we might expect a deeper correction till this trend line or even till about 1.34. Hopefully that does not happen. I'm still bullish biased. I think there are chances market will survive into this zone, and this should be considered as buying opportunity. Tomorrow's closing is very important. It's weekly closing. If at all market can print a green candle, this would be a confirmation that coming week onwards we may see continuous upside momentum. Julphar is always there to surprise us. We never know, it may make aggressive move tomorrow itself, hopefully to the upside. Looking at the technical side, we can clearly see it was trading within this channel for so many weeks, and finally we saw a breakout. After this push up, it came back for a retest exactly at the same zone, and this is the place where I have been mentioning you can start accumulating, we can expect a good move. And finally, last week we saw a nice aggressive move to the upside, breaking resistance of 1.43 and 1.39. This was considered to be very bullish, and I still have the same view. Julphar is positive. I will be only changing my view if at all we can see a candle close below 1.41, then obviously it will show signs of weakness. As I just mentioned, there are chances it may come to revisit this trend line to bounce back from the support. Let's see tomorrow if at all it can print a green candle. This would be very positive. However, party in Julphar got delayed, but still it's not cancelled. There are still chances Julphar can go sideways, and then we can expect a good move like how we saw into this zone. Overall, Julphar is still bullish. Hit the like button if today's video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Keep stalking.